Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Swastik Education. Today we are going to discuss about the next chapter, second chapter of chemistry, that is acid, bases and salt. You must be aware of many type of acids and bases around you. आपके आसपास में बहुत तरह के acids या bases आपको daily life में देखने को मिलते हैं. अब ये क्या है कि आप किस तरह से इनकी इस चैप्टर में that in this chapter what we are going to discuss is the very first thing. Let's discuss the point that we are going to discuss in this chapter. The very first is about the indicators. That is, what is the indicator, what are the types of indicators and what are their uses. Second, we will be discussing about, obviously as the name is acid, bases and salt, we will be discussing about the properties of these salts, acid, bases, properties of acid, bases and salts. And most important topic of this chapter that is new for you, that is the types or different types of salts. Different salts, rather I would say. Different salts. We will be discussing about different salts in this chapter, how they are prepared, how they are, what are their properties, किस तरह से इसको हम लोग use करें, कहाँ use हो रहा है, that we will be discussing in this chapter. So main point of this chapter are indicators, properties as well as the different types of salt. These are the points that we will be discussing in this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the first point, that is the indicator. You must be traveling with a bike. You must be having a or a car. You must be having a vehicle. Vehicle में आपने देखा होगा there is an indicator. What does that indicator do? Indicator करता क्या है? That gives us the direction, that tell us about the direction कि हाँ हमें कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है. That is the basic function of the indicator. So in this case also, indicator is doing the same thing. What is it doing? It is telling us about the given salt. जो हमें solution दिया हुआ है, salt solution दिया हुआ है, वो किस तरह का salt है, whether it is acid, base or a salt. Why we are using indicators? Reason is we can't taste all the acids and bases, क्योंकि एसिड सारे टेस्ट करने लायक नहीं है, कुछ corrosive होते हैं. So how will we know that particular substance is acid or a base? By using this thing that we call it as indicator. So our very first topic for today is indicator. Indicators are what? These are the substances or materials that gives us the knowledge, that tells us about the nature of the given salt, that is called as indicator. They are in this chapter we'll be discussing about basically three types of indicator. We are having three types of indicator. The very first indicator is a natural indicator. Second is synthetic. And third one is olfactory indicator. We will be discussing about these three types of indicator in this section. First one is a natural indicator. Natural means what? An indicator that we get from the nature, that is called as a natural indicator. So the very first type of natural indicator is litmus, then turmeric and red cabbage. These are three commonly used indicators in our day-to-day life. What are they? Litmus, turmeric and red cabbage indicator. In your laboratory you must have been seen this type of strips. आपने इस टाइप के strips भी देखे होंगे laboratories में. What are they? ये हैं हमारे litmus, जो कि दो कलर के होते हैं, red और blue. There are two types of litmus, that is either red or blue. These litmus are made up of a plant or a symbiotic relationship of algae and fungi. In leguminous plants, algae and fungi live together in symbiotic relationship. They are called as lichens. And इस lichens के पौधे से, इस lichens से हमें मिलता है क्या? हमें मिलता है litmus, जो कि हम लोग यूज करते हैं as a paper strip, जो कि paper strip के फॉर्म में हमें मिलता है, that we are using. So we are having two types of indicators. Litmus, that is red litmus or blue litmus. When we test these two litmus with acids and bases, what we get? In case of acid, this red litmus remains same, there is no change. No change. जब हम ये रेड लिटमस को डिप करते हैं एसिड में तो वहाँ पे कोई भी तरह का चेंज हमें विजिबल नहीं होता है. इन केस ऑफ बेसिस it turns blue. The color of litmus changes into blue in case of what? Bases. Whereas in case of when we are using a blue litmus paper, जब हम लोग एक blue litmus paper को dip करते हैं acid या bases में, तब क्या होता है? In case of acid changes to red and in case of base there is no change. So when we are testing an acid or a base with the help of these litmus paper, these are the changes that we get. In case of base, if we are using a blue litmus, there will be no change, and in case of acid, if we are using red litmus paper, there will be no changes. So to learn this, to remember this in short, we can use this, that is ABR or BRB, that is acid blue to red and base red to blue. So these are the changes that we get from the first indicator, that is the natural indicator litmus. Second indicator that we will discuss about is onion. Sorry, onion, not onion but turmeric. Second natural indicator is turmeric. Turmeric, the color of turmeric is yellow. जब भी हम आपने देखा होगा आपके कपड़ों पे कहीं पे अगर सब्जी गिर जाती है, वो वहाँ पे जब हल्दी लग जाती है, टर्मरिक लग जाता है, तो क्या होता है? व्हेन वी यूज टू सोप टू वॉश इट, तो उसका कलर क्या हो जाता है? चेंज हो जाता है, रेड कलर का होता है. व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? द रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज ओनली वन रीजन, दैट इज द सोप कंटेन्स बेस, एंड व्हेन बेस इज treated with the turmeric indicator, the color changes to red. So in case of acid, there is no change in the color. No change in color. When we are talking about a base, there is no change in color when we are using a turmeric indicator. And in case of bases, it changes to red. Red, or we can say reddish brown. बिल्कुल डार्क रेड कलर का जो कलर आ जाता है, ब्राउनिश शेड में आता है, दैट इज द चेंज ऑफ कलर इन केस ऑफ बेस. सो in natural indicator, when we are using turmeric, what are the changes? In case of turmeric, acid में क्या हुआ? There is no change in the color, whereas in case of base, the color changes to reddish brown, or you can say red in color. Then comes the red cabbage indicator. The next natural indicator is रेड कैबेज इंडिकेटर. रेड कैबेज इंडिकेटर है क्या? बेसिकली किया क्या जाता है, रेड कलर का जो कैबेज मिलता है हमें, रेड कैबेज को बॉईल किया जाता है वाटर में, टू दैट एक्सटेंट कि जो वो रेड कलर जो है, कैबेज का जो रेड कलर है, दैट गोज इनटू द लिक्विड, वाटर में वो लिक्विड चला जाता है, वो कलर चला जाता है, एंड वाटर बिकम्स रेड. देन दैट वाटर इज यूज्ड एज एन इंडिकेटर. क्या होता है? बॉईल किया जाता है बहुत पूरा एक एक्सटेंट तक, उस एक्सटेंट तक कि वो कलर जो है वाटर का वो चेंज हो जाता है रेड में, and then that liquid is used as an indicator. Now what will be the changes in red cabbage indicator test? In case of acid, there will be no change in color. Acid में कोई भी कलर में चेंजेस नहीं आएगा. when we are considering about the base, जब हम लोग बेस की बात करते हैं तो उसके केस में क्या आएगा? The color changes to green. जो इंडिकेटर है उसका कलर किस में चेंज हो जाता है? ग्रीन चेंज हो जाता है. सो दीज आर द 3 नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स. कौन कौन से? फर्स्ट वन, सॉरी आई हैड नॉट रिटन योर, फर्स्ट वन इज लिटमस, दैट इज ऑफ 2 कलर, रेड और ब्लू. रेड लिटमस, in case of acid there is no change. Blue litmus, in case of base it is blue. Whereas when we are talking about blue litmus, in case of acid it becomes red, and in case of base there is no changes. Turmeric indicator, no change with acid, and in case of base it becomes reddish brown or red, and in case of red cabbage there is no change, whereas in green in bases. So first the natural indicators are these things, 3. Next topic, next that we are going to start is the synthetic indicator. Second is synthetic indicators. Synthetic means what? The indicators that are man-made या जो chemical से बने हैं industries में, factories में हमारे द्वारा या labs में बनाए जाते हैं, they are called as synthetic indicators. So there are 2 synthetic indicators. First one is phenolphthalein indicator. फर्स्ट वन इज फिनोप्थेलिन इंडिकेटर, जिसका कलर होता है पिंक जब हम लोग उसको सही फिनोप्थेलिन इंडिकेटर है जो कि कलरलेस होता है, दैट इज कलरलेस. दिस इज वन इज कलरलेस. ओके, फिनोप्थेलिन इंडिकेटर इज द कलरलेस इंडिकेटर. हाँ, फिनोप्थेलिन इंडिकेटर इज द कलरलेस इंडिकेटर विच इज व्हेन ट्रीटेड विद एसिड. एसिड में जब डालते हैं देयर इज नो चेंज, वहाँ पे कलरलेस ही रहता है. बेस में डालते हैं तो उसका कलर चेंज होके पिंक हो जाता है. सो बेस में क्या हुआ, इसका कलर क्या हो गया, पिंक हो गया. एंड एसिड के केस में देयर इज नो चेंज. व्हेन द second indicator is methyl orange. As the name suggests, it is orange in color or pinkish dark orange which looks like pink in color. हम जब एसिड के साथ करते हैं इसको ट्रीट, अगेन देयर इज नो चेंज. सो एंड व्हेन इट इज ट्रीटेड विद अल्कली और बेस, वहाँ पे उसका कलर चेंज होकर क्या हो जाता है, येलो कलर होता है. सो दीज आर द 2 types of synthetic indicators, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. In case of phenolphthalein acid, there is no color changes, acid colorless, and in base pink in color. When we are talking about the next indicator, methyl orange, acid, no color, no change in color, or you can say colorless, and when it is about alkali, it is yellow in color. So that is it for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you and have a good day.